picture this. You bought a coin called CVA, just like this one. You spent about $1,000 when the price was at $10. Now 6 months later and the price is still at $6. You didn't make any money. It sounds illogical, right? But it happens to most people. They buy coins and just wait. They hope the price goes up, but after 1, 2, or even 3 years, nothing happens and their portfolio is stuck. Now here's the thing, there is a better way. It's called a grid trading. This system helps you make money even if the price goes up, down, or stays the same. It is the exact same system we helped set up one of our members inside CBA, and in less than 1 month, his bots made over 10% and almost $1,000 without doing anything, without taking a single trade, without holding crypto, or without getting into any random signals. Let me show you how you can also do it.
Okay, so basically, 27 days. This is the total P&L. Does that sound about right? It went for about a week at 683, and there was no trade on this one. I'm like, what is going on?
Yeah, I see. And the other one is up 13%, which is awesome. That's great.
I noticed when I was looking at these, like the values, like this is basically US dollar versus the accumulation, and I didn't even notice that until a couple of days ago. So this is everything that is in the account right now after it has sold, or how does that?
So it's going to be both. It's going to be USD value and the Kava accumulation. So whatever you have in Kava, if you convert that to USD plus the USD.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, got it. And then so this is, I mean, basically everything's reinvested back on. So what I should see in, I mean, this is not going to like reflect what is on Kraken or anything, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
All right. And then the other thing was this. So basically, this is the correct number that is on here, right? Like the 79.43 for Cake, and then Kava at 72.69.
Correct.
All right. And basically, when it hits up here towards the top, I will get a notification on this.
Yeah, we can double check. Click on alerts.
Okay, my alerts.
And yeah, we still have them active. We're just gonna let them run until we receive that confirmation.
And then another thing I wanted to check on it, because I looked at these and I'm like, okay, so you see how these, the top and the bottom, I know this is probably stuff that I should know already. Like I said, I don't get into this.
No worries.
And but when I go to this one, this only has the top and I don't see no bottom. Is that normal or?
No, it's actually not. And I'm so happy you booked the call, because it means we have to restart this bot. For some reason, maybe the price went down too much and then eventually cover. So we need to restart it. We can actually do it with a coin that is more profitable than Kava.
Okay, that'll work. So do I just hit these dots and then stop the bot?
Yeah, we're still closing everything on a profit, which is great. We're just going to be setting up one that is even more profitable than this one.
Okay, so hit stop bot.
Yeah, stop and convert to USD. Continue and convert.
And just leave this right here like that, right?
Yeah.
Don't move it over.
Yeah, no, just skip it. Everything in USD.
Right.
1 second. So I'll give you the bots we're gonna set up now. 1 second. Nice.
All right, so start new bot.
And then loop bot.
Loop bot.
Yeah, and then we're gonna change, instead of Cake, we are going to do this one called CRX. So
RX. I can't even get to the top. ZRX.
Yeah.
USD or USD?
Yeah, USD. Now we're gonna click on that one, and then give me 1 minute. I'll give you the settings now. I'm just gonna double check here, because I also have running this one. CRX, okay, pretty good. Okay, we're gonna do 36%. So now click here on the price range tool.
Right here?
Yeah, there should be like a small arrow.
Oh, there we go. Price range.
That much. And measure from high price to low price. Let's see what we get right now. Yeah. Okay. So we need to expand that a little bit more because we need to hit 36%. So that means that we need to increase. Click on manual adjustment.
Okay.
We're going to increase this to 1.20. And
Okay.
we're going to keep the grid levels to 38.
Where is it? Say grid level.
Order count 38.
Oh, order count.
Perfect. Just 1 second. Yeah, that is perfect. We can click on continue.
Okay. And this will automatically adjust, right?
Exactly. Yeah. This will this one is a coin that is a lot more volatile than Kappa, so I would expect it to perform a lot better as well over time.
Okay. And then this take profit, leave it as is, or?
Yeah, we're gonna set up the exit alert as well on this one.
Got it. So hit continue and then start bot.
Yep, that's it. Okay, now let's go to trading view.
Okay, and ZRX.
We're gonna search CRX USD, this one.
Oh, there we go.
Let's change this to the daily time frame. We're gonna do this one. So we just let it run for a little bit longer. And then 43, still in a pretty decent, and then we're gonna shut it down once it hits the 60. So click on, we're gonna create a new alert.
Oh shit, what the hell?
Here.
Yeah, it's not creating. All right, so, oh, there it is.
Change this to Smart RSI, and then change this to shutdown bot signal, and then create. Here, message.
Oh, there we go. Above 60. Okay, so that's already there.
Yeah, add a custom name, and this is where we name it like shutdown CRX loop bot.
All right, and let me see. Then this stays the same. Email, toast, message, perfect. And then hit save.
That's right. We're gonna just click on save, and we should be all set for now.
All right, and so it automatically picks up the smart RSI at 60 unless we manually input it on there.
Exactly.
All right, perfect. And then what we do?
Now, that's pretty much it. We have set the alert. We're just gonna let it run until it hits this 60 level.
So whether you have 20, 50 or 100K in your portfolio, the question you have to ask yourself is, do you want to hold and hope for the price to go up? Or you want to have a guarantee system that actually gets you results regardless of the market direction? If the answer is having a system, then welcome to CVA. If not, get out of this video. No, I'm just kidding. If the question is you want to have a proven system following a systematic approach, then there's going to be a link down in the description. You can book a call with me or my team, and we will help you set up this exact system we did with Diego, alongside with more than 260 members. If not, that's totally fine. Just make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.